We will review how to set up a campaign. In our DSP, there is a hierarchy: advertiser, then campaign, then line item. You can set up multiple advertisers and have any number of campaigns beneath each advertiser. Click on the advertiser you want, scroll down, and to set up a new campaign, select New Campaign. From here, give your campaign a name, set your start and end date. Make sure you put in the domain of what you are advertising and the landing page URL, set to active. There are two pacing algorithms, ASAP and Even. Even will attempt to spend as evenly as possible, while ASAP will spend as quickly as it can. Budget is where you can set your overall budget requirements. For example, whatever is on the insertion order. You can also put in daily caps. If your daily impression cap is 10,000 impressions, for example, then your line item daily impressions will never exceed this campaign daily cap. The daily amounts are caps, not goals. You can also set your campaign to auto if you want this overall budget to spend evenly each day of the campaign. Then it will adjust each day to spend as evenly as possible across all line items. If you have certain line items with a heavy up or a different date range, then you may not want to set your campaign on auto because it will adhere to these daily caps. So you may not want this to be on auto and instead put in a cap that gives you plenty of flexibility to hit your daily goals for each of your line items. Select the category for which you're advertising and hit save. Now you'll start adding your line items.